This is Ibiza in August. Do I need it? It is pissing it down. I'm gonna get wet if I go out here. Ready? Oh my god. But it's important to show what it could be like. It's not blue skies every day. Yeah. Oh shit. Look at that. This is the Blue Marlin Bay still, but a little bit quieter than it was yesterday. Yeah.
I think I might make a gin and tonic.
Fair enough. You can sit and watch the rain with the G&T.
We've got our friend arriving in
Hear the thunder?
2 hours. Okay, I'm talking to the camera.
Sorry. Attention span.
These guys are coming in.
Is that Sally on the plane? I think we've just spotted Sal. She's just coming into land at Ibiza. We'll go and pick her up.
Look at it out this way. Everybody is swinging all over the place. This one here nearly hit us.
No, this one's gone. They've lost their anchor.
Who?
That catamaran. They were here. They've completely lost their anchor. They're gone. These guys have just come back to their boat.
So this is Dave, about to get ready to go and pick Sally up.
Yeah, when a friend turns up in the middle of a massive storm, it's not ideal. Well done, Sal.
I've got dinner on the go, ready? Yeah, you want a bin bag?
Yeah, go on.
Okay. Here she comes! Sally's on her way! Hiya, babe! Come into the light, Dave! There they are! She made it!
I don't suppose you could take the lights.
Round 2 of the storm. It's now, what's the time?
1:41.
1:41 AM. And bang on time, as it said. The storm's now really coming in. Wind's picked up. Boats flying around everywhere. Maydays and pans on the VHF. So we're all up. Sal's here, first night.
Hey!
So there's 3 of us on board now.
Dave's been tinkering away all day. It's our current state of affairs.
So we're just heading towards Formentera. Girls are really working hard. Got both our sails up at last. Woo! What's our speed, Hayley?
I think it was 5 knots, wasn't it?
And how much wind?
6.5.
It's not too bad, eh?
Lovely time, haven't you?
You swing the boat round a little bit in the shade.
Yeah, I know.
We are currently in Cala
In Formentera.
Formentera.
So we've done 7 days at sea now. What do you reckon, Hayley? How's it been?
Been amazing. That's the first word, amazing. Incredible, feel very, very lucky. But we've had definitely some challenges in the first week. Do you want to cut my head off anymore? And my husband hasn't got the hang of how to frame a picture, so I'm in it.
This is what I have to deal with. I mean, seriously, your head was fully in the frame.
No, it wasn't.
Well, we'll see, won't we? When we edit.
It was cutting off. Alright, come back to me. No, you're over there. I'm here.
You can see who the star of this show is, right?
Right. So,
Oh no, we're losing late.
it's been incredible, it's been amazing, but we've definitely had some challenges of the week. First of all, we've been in a storm. A really, really, really bad storm.
Just interrupt a minute
Go on then.
and just video this. Just look at that. That is epic.
That's us getting our 5 a day.
I mean, that's a gin and tonic extreme.
We're getting our 5 a day
Okay,
in our
sorry.
gin bowls.
Sorry. How's that frame? Is your head in?
No!
How about now?
Now it is. Just gonna...
Just look beautiful, babe. Yeah, you nailed it. There's some giggling in the background. That's Sal here.
Hello!
I probably cut her head off as well, to be
Put
fair.
my body on.
Sorry.
No, I like that.
So 7 days at sea, 3,000 lightning strikes in 3 hours. It's a record in Ibiza, apparently. And 32 knot winds, I think we had.
Yeah, 32 knot. Where are you going now?
I don't know. Too much gin and tonic.
32 knot winds. Boats drifting. Cars, yes, cars.
Two cars.
Slid down the hill into the water and was like heading towards other vessels. Doing his first ever barbecue. How'd you feel?
Yeah, I love it. I mean, loving it.
Mushrooms and steaks already done. Say hi, Sal. Hi. She's done the sangria. Look at that. We're just gonna have dinner watching the most stunning sunset ever.